there, today I have a Mix and Match box to unbox. If you're not familiar with Mix and Match, it is an online styling service very similar to Stitch Fix, but with Mix and Match box they have two different styling options. One is the Go For It box, which is more similar to Stitch Fix, and the second is the Take a Chance box, which is the one that I do, which is a flat rate box. So they charge you a flat $105.99 and you get 2 to 4 items of clothing with a retail value of $175, or at least $175. So I really like this so far. I think it's a really good deal. So that's the one that I've been doing it. And I don't do this every month. I do it basically every other month. But I'll put some information in the description box below as to how the service works, along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got in my box. Okay, so here's what my box looks like inside. So they always have everything nicely wrapped in a bundle, and I noticed we have some very pretty, cheerful, bright packaging. And they also have a packet of information. Okay, so this month the packet of information is in a nice, pretty pink envelope. Okay, and you always have a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back. Although with the Take a Chance box, it does work a little different. If you were to send anything back, everything does revert to the retail price. Okay, and you get a note from your stylist, and my stylist, and I've had her since the beginning with Mix and Match, and her name is Alexis, and I highly recommend her. She's awesome, and she always does a great job. I think the communication from my stylist Alexis is what I think sets Mix and Match apart from some of the other styling services that I do, because she does email me before she prepares the box to see if I have any requests. So this month I mentioned that I wanted some shorts and maybe some, summer things. So let's see what she says. So I'm gonna go ahead and read my note. Okay, so it sounds pretty promising. She was able to get the shorts that I wanted, along with trying out some other brands. So yeah, so it does look like we have a total of 4 items in this box with a total of $223, and of course I only did pay $105.99, so that is well over 50% off, so I think that's a really good deal. But let's go ahead and see what I got in this pretty bundle. Which is a little small this month because I think it's shorts, but yeah, it feels pretty compact. And I have animals here, dogs and a cat. And Kaya is a very playful dog, aren't you, Kaya? And she is eyeing that cat up, Molly. Molly, luckily, is a nice cat, although she's been scratching up my couch. Okay, so the first item in my box, ooh, this is kind of different. It's a top, and it's by the brand Joe, and it's in a size medium. And this retails for $69, so this is actually more on the pricey side, but you'll see it has this very nice applique. It almost reminds me of kind of like a Hawaiian quilt. Huh, that's very interesting. So yeah, $69 for this top. So we'll see. It looks like it's an off the shoulder, although I'll probably wear it on the shoulder because that's how I usually wear these tops. And it has this kind of a flowy sleeve, and it's a nice knit material. It looks, yeah, very, very cute, very different for summer. I don't have anything like this, and I probably wouldn't have picked it out myself, but I'm glad that Alexis did. She does have a good eye. Okay, next, a pair of shorts, and these are what I requested. I saw on YouTube, I think it might have been Hey It's Heather's channel, she got these shorts. So I mentioned it to Alexis that I saw these and I wanted them. So they're by Liverpool, size 6/28, and I think these are like a 4-inch inseam because I don't like my shorts too short. And they have this sprayed hem, and they have a slight amount of distressing, but not too much. And here's the back. I don't think there's any distressing on the back. And these retail for $59. So yeah, these are very nice shorts. I hope they fit, and I think they should. Okay, next. Okay, it's a top, and this is just a very cute, kind of like an oversized top. It looks a little more cropped, and it's by Mustard Seed. And she said this one runs big, and she sent me a size small. And this actually retails for $36. So yeah, this is very, very cute, very flowy and loose. Yeah, just very lightweight. And it has kind of a twist in the front. And then it's slightly longer in the back. So this will pair nicely, I think, with the shorts. Okay, and my last item of 4 is another pair of shorts. And these are also by Liverpool, size 628, and they also retail for $59. And these are white, and there's a little bit of distressing here, and it does have a cuffed hem, and these are sewn. These are sewn, so they won't come down. Okay, so this one is a little bit shorter than the denim. I think because this one is rolled. You could probably untack this though, but I don't think I will. But yeah, very cute. And I told her I was looking for shorts because it's getting really hot here in Hawaii, and I will be living in shorts for a while. Other than work though, I don't go to work in shorts. But anyway, now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here are the first 2 items, and I have Molly the cat down here behind me. I don't think she's gonna move. Can't back all the way up. Molly. Oh well. Just let her. Okay, so anyway, here's the first top. And yeah, I think this is really pretty. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. And it is supposed to be off the shoulder, but I think it looks fine like this. And it has this cute kind of a fluttery sleeve and a very pretty applique, I think. It's a little bit on the big side, but not bad. Oh, okay, Molly moved. I can back up now. But yeah, I think this is cute. It's a fun summery top, very different. I think I could wear it with shorts, or I could wear it also with jeans, or even white jeans I think would look nice. Yeah, definitely something very different that I would not have chosen for myself. And I think it's kind of a Hawaii laid-back style. Okay, and the shorts are the first pair of shorts from Liverpool, and I think these are a good fit for me. They're a good length, they're not too short. I like the little bit of distressing, I can tolerate that. And they're not too distressed, but they're, you know, that makes it a little more in with this sprayed hemline. I think it's cute. Yeah, so I think this is cute, and I think this is a cute summer outfit. So that's outfit number 1. Okay, so here's the second outfit. And the top is just kind of a very flowy top. So this is actually small, but as you can see, it is pretty large, but I think that's the look. It's supposed to be big, and it's got kind of a cross in the front. So this is very easy to wear. You don't have to think, should I tuck it or should I not tuck it? It's kind of like doing its own thing. And it's very light. The material is a very kind of a thin, papery looking material, kind of like one of those Madewell t-shirts. And the shorts, I think this is a good length. These are kind of more of a mid-rise. I don't know, I think the other ones were a little higher in the rise. I don't think they were full high rise. Also mid-rise, but these are less of a lower mid-rise, I think. But I do think they fit nicely. And yeah, just a good to have another pair of white shorts. And they do have a slight amount of distressing, but there's a patch behind it, so that's nice. So I think, yeah, this is a very practical outfit for me for summer. It's already really hot here. Okay, so that was everything I got in my mix and match box this month. And I think my stylist Alexis again did a great job. I was really happy with everything that I got, actually. And I think it's really good also that she emailed me and asked me what I was looking for, because okay, wait, hold on. Watch out. Okay. All right, okay. Sorry, I got my daughter's cat here, It's Molly. She's a very sweet cat. Yes? She's a really friendly cat. We've never had a cat before, but we like her. Okay, anyway, I was needing some shorts, believe it or not, and these are actual Liverpool shorts that retail for $59, and I got 2 pairs of these shorts included in my style box that was only $105.99. So just these 2 shorts alone is over that price. And so it's almost like getting these tops for free. So I mean, this top I think was very different. I think this would actually look good with some jeans. And yeah, this was a brand I've never heard of or tried before, Joe Apparel, for $69. So this is more of a high-end top that I got for free almost, right? And then this top here is just like a very cute, and Molly's scratching the couch. Kaya's very concerned about the scratching. Yes, me too. But we'll have to work on that. But anyway, yeah, I thought this was cute too. Very cute, basic. I mean, it's a little oversized, so you have to be careful when you're wearing these kind of oversized clothing. You have to make sure you balance it with something that's a little bit more fitted on the bottom. But yeah, this is cute and loose and flowy and comfortable. But anyway, that's all I have for today, and now I am going to grab one of my, I would say 2, but I actually have 3 furry companions. Let's grab that cat, shall we? Where are you, Molly? Oh. Okay, and here is Molly the cat. Say hello, Molly. Here she is. She is very sweet, aren't you? And yeah, if any of you have cats and know what to do about the scratching thing, because my furniture's, this is a pretty new couch. So if any of you have any experience with cats before, ooh, she's licking me, please let me know and comment below. Appreciate it. But anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Okay. She's making herself really limp. Okay, bye now. Bye.